Hi guys, I hope you all have read the thumbnail. So let's start the programming. We'll be doing one question based on Python. So let's see what the question is. Write a program to input a list and check if it contains all elements as same. We'll be doing two methods to solve this question. Firstly, we'll see a method that will only incorporate the integer value, and then we'll see the same program done in another way to incorporate the string values as well. So let's switch to our programming part. So let's start. We'll only incorporate the integer value in this part. So first we'll see the output of this question. We'll input values and all elements are not same. So let's proceed to the programming part. We'll be using the if and else, sum, multiplication and length function. Now let's see the output once again. We'll input the values but in different format, and the output will be all elements are not same. So let's see all elements are same. So here we go. All elements are same. This program will only be able to give output of integer value. Let's see what happened when we put string values. It will give an error. Let's see it. Here's the error because n is not defined. Now just change the format and then write. We are using quotes. It is also showing an error. Now see another case. It will show all elements are not same. Now we are switching to another program which will incorporate the string value as well. In this program we are using the count function, list function, length function and the value at index 0, and you all know if and else. So let's proceed and see what will be the output of this question. Will it incorporate the string as well as integer functions as well? We'll be taking different situation. So let's see how will this program works on all the situations. We'll input the values. Here we'll not use the comma because in this program we have used the function list. All elements are not same. Let's see another situation. We'll not use comma here because we have used list function in this program. All elements are same. We can use miscellaneous functions as well. And also all elements are not same. So this program is valid for all strings, float and integer values. So it is the final program that we all can use. First program was based only on integer value, but the second program is based on all the values. So you can take the screenshot or you can practice the same program on your PCs. So it's all for today. Thank you guys.